Yo, Merry Christmas, everybody. I mean, like, look at this drip, this fucking dad drip, bro. I feel like a whole ass dad right now wearing this shit, dude. I never wear pajamas ever. But anyway, guys, in today's video, went and did some POV drifting because, I mean, look outside. Look at it, covered in snow. But yeah, guys, so I actually got a GoPro too as well for Christmas, so that's where I filmed it on. I just want to show you guys this. This is another thing I got for Christmas. These new USR headlights. These bitches are gonna look nice as hell. I'm gonna make a separate video of me installing these with my boy Mason in a few days. But yeah, dude, these are sick as hell. I'll link these in the description below. I'll also link them in the video that I actually like install these in. But I can't wait to see what these look like though. Alright, so I got interrupted. I forgot what I was saying, but pretty much from outside, did some POV drifting with the new GoPro I got. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Pretty much it's gonna be like just straight, mostly unedited footage. It's just me just going sideways. But yeah, guys. Anyway, let's hop into the GoPro footage.
Okay, she shit. Yo, I keep my fucking shoulders on. Yo, can't see shit. Oh shit, let me drive normal. Oh shit, security. Hi dude, what's up bro? Yeah, dude, we just got a skate road. Oh shit. You can't even see anything at the back. Yo. Wait, I don't think I'm gonna go on that one. I'm gonna keep going farther. Kids, I do not recommend sending it into a corner like this, or you'll curb your wheel like I did the other day. Yeah, there's a lot of them, dude. Fuck. Ooh, a little sideways, eh? Oh! Let me find the entrance, dude. I will send this bitch right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how you fucking do it. Mom, if you're watching, I love you. What I'm doing is not illegal, I hope. No, I'm kidding. Oh, we're in Mexico, so it's okay. We are actually in Mexico, so it's okay. As I go do it. Dude, I don't even know where the curb is at though, I'm scared. Yeah, I ain't gonna risk it. I'm gonna get out of here. Oh shit! Security ain't get no fucks though. Oh, my bad, curb. My bad. Security again. Dude, this dude. Fucking security guard. I'll give you guys some revs real quick. Give me a second. Let me go into sport. Get my bitch ass into neutral. Oh shit. Alright. Time to go back to drifting. Dude, my tire's gonna fucking hate me, dude. Oh shit. I'll find a lot. I'm gonna go somewhere else because I don't want to be here too long. Yes, sir. We are back on a grind. That's where I got pulled over at the other day for my exhaust.
Fucking love to see it, bro.
This is what I look like, dumbasses. Fucking go for my fucking mouth. Your what? Yes, sir. They're probably looking at me like, who the fuck is this dude? We about to sign through the neighborhood though. That's gonna be fun. I'll show him some big ass boots right now, bro. Like, fucking mint as fuck. Here we go. Let me get my fucking traction off, dude. Come on now. Yes, sir.
Up on my plate, pick it up fast, pick it up pace. I got a dash, I got a race. Seen it all twice. Views ain't all nice. My heart's been on ice. My crew been on 10. My mind been on zen.
Be careful on us with this car, you know. Oh god, I was looking.
And the high keeps coming. Can't feel nothing but the club still jumping. Make her say ooh, and the she's still
Alright, slow down.
I wish I worried about
real quick.
I've been trying to find balance. Baby girl, I know loving me's a challenge. Trying to even out the crazy with the talent. Never prayed for it, baby, it just happened. And I know that's on it. Whole lot of eyes and they all
My bad, pimp. My bad, pimp. My bad. My bad.
gripping on the thighs when she ride on me.
Dom, what's up, bro?
I've been trying to find balance. Baby girl,
Hi, Dommy.
me's a challenge. Trying to even out the crazy with the talent. Never prayed for it, baby, it just happened. And I know that's on it. Whole lot of eyes and they all on me. Whole lot of size and they all on me. Gripping on the thighs when she ride on me.
Oh my god.
On me.
Oh shit. Reverse entry?
Trying to find balance. Baby girl, I know loving me's a challenge. Trying to even out the crazy with the talent. Never prayed for it, baby, it just happened. And I know that's on it. Whole lot of eyes and they all on me. Whole lot of size and they all on me. Gripping on the thighs when she ride on me. Yeah, on me. Hard when cold again. This is California.
Yeah, going, yes sir.
You was trying to choose, had to cut you loose. Way too much to prove, way too much to lose. Way too much to say.
Oh shit.
Think I need to get out of my
Oh god. Oh shit. Who needs a front lift anyway?
till it goes left. And the high keeps coming.
I don't know what that is.
But the club still jumping. Make her say ooh, and the she's still pumping. I wish I worried about something. I've been trying to find balance. Baby girl, I know loving me's a challenge. Trying to even out the crazy with the talent. Never prayed for it, baby, it just happened. And I know that's on it. Whole lot of eyes and they all on me. Whole lot of size and they all on me. Gripping on the thighs when she ride
Oh
on
shit.
me.
We made it.
Alright guys, we're back inside the house. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's my first ever like POV driving video in general, so I'm gonna do more of those, guys, especially when there's not that much snow, so I can actually do some like takeoffs and some races with you guys in Mexico, of course, as always. Hey everybody, again, hope you enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and follow my new Instagram I made for my car, actually. It'll be linked in the description below. And yeah, guys, with that being said, see you guys in the next one. Peace.
coming in. Yeah, flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB, who we running with? Yeah, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again. Yeah, state your name.